Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the shiny base card pack in Plants vs Brainrots game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. The New Year update has been released in Plants vs Brainrots, and as you can see here, the shiny base card pack is back. You can find, return, and place your Brainrots to complete the mission, and you will get the shiny base card pack as the grand prize. Okay, the first one, we need this Brainrot, Bambini Crostini, and I'm going to put it on this place. Okay, just like this. We can place Brainrot here. Okay, and I got the size potion, and then the Bandito Bobrito. I don't know how to read that. What is that, guys? Oh, Bandito. Let's see. Oh, I don't have. Okay, let's move to the next Brainrot. Ballerina Cappuccino. Okay, I have so many Ballerina Cappuccina. I'm going to place it here. Alright, and then the last one is the Erlino Armadillo. Okay, and just place it here. Okay, and just one more Brainrot. The Bobrito. Let's search Bobrito. Okay, I need to beat this Brainrot first, guys. And after you complete all the Brainrots, you will get the shiny base card pack. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the shiny base card pack in Plants vs Brainrots. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!